Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Riverdale is a residential neighborhood in the southwestern part of Cornwall, located near the shoreline of the St. Lawrence River. The area is known for its quieter suburban atmosphere, mature trees, parks, schools, and access to waterfront recreation. Riverdale developed mainly during the second half of the 20th century as Cornwall expanded away from its older industrial and downtown districts. Today, the neighborhood is considered one of the city's more established residential areas, attracting families, retirees, and long-term residents. One of the defining features of Riverdale is its connection to the St. Lawrence River. Residents are close to parks, walking paths, and open green spaces along the waterfront, giving the area a scenic and relaxed atmosphere. The river has shaped life in Cornwall for centuries, first as a transportation route for Indigenous peoples, and later as a major trade and shipping corridor during European settlement. In Riverdale, that connection to the water remains an important part of the neighborhood's identity today. Much of Riverdale was built during the 1950s, 60s, and 70s when Cornwall experienced major suburban growth. During this period, many families moved away from crowded industrial neighborhoods closer to the downtown and rail corridors in search of quieter residential streets and larger homes. Riverdale reflected the suburban planning ideas of the time, with schools, parks, and community services located close to residential areas. Many of the homes from that era still define the appearance of the neighborhood today. Riverdale is also known for its convenient access to recreation and community facilities. Local parks, sports fields, and waterfront areas provide opportunities for outdoor activities throughout the year. During the summer months, the nearby riverfront becomes active with walking, cycling, boating, and community events. In the winter, the area takes on a quieter atmosphere shaped by snow-covered streets and cold winds coming across the St. Lawrence River. The changing seasons are a major part of life in eastern Ontario and are especially noticeable in waterfront neighborhoods like Riverdale. Although Riverdale feels separate from the busier commercial parts of Cornwall, residents are still only a short drive from shopping centres, healthcare facilities, schools, and downtown Cornwall. Major roads such as Brookdale Avenue and Vincent Massey Drive connect the neighborhood with. Cornwall has a population of roughly 47,000 people and is one of the oldest communities in Canada. The city sits along the St. Lawrence River in eastern Ontario, close to both the Quebec border and the northern part of New York State. Indigenous peoples lived in the region for thousands of years before European settlement. French settlers later established farming communities in the area during the 1700s, making Cornwall one of the earliest European settlement areas in Ontario. The city was officially founded in 1784 by United Empire Loyalists who arrived after the American Revolution. These Loyalists were settlers who remained loyal to Britain and relocated north into what later became Canada. Cornwall's position along the St. Lawrence River made it an important transportation and trade center during the 19th century. Ships traveling between Montreal and the Great Lakes often passed through the area, helping support local industry and commerce. As transportation improved during the 1800s, Cornwall became connected by railways and canals that helped move goods across the region. The Cornwall Canal, completed in the 19th century, allowed ships to bypass dangerous rapids along the St. Lawrence River. This improvement strengthened Cornwall's role as an important shipping and industrial center. Warehouses, mills, and factories grew along the waterfront and rail corridors, transforming the city into one of Eastern Ontario's leading industrial communities. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Cornwall became especially known for textile manufacturing. Large factories such as the Canadian Cottons Mills employed thousands of workers and attracted immigrants from many parts of Europe and beyond. Entire neighborhoods developed around these industries, and the city gained a strong working-class identity. Manufacturing remained the backbone of Cornwall's economy for generations, with paper production, textiles, and other industries supporting much of the local population. The St. Lawrence River has always shaped life in Cornwall. The waterfront provided transportation, trade, fishing, and later hydroelectric power. During the 1950s, one of the largest infrastructure projects in Canadian history changed the region forever. The construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway and Moses Saunders Power Dam allowed larger ships to travel farther inland between the Atlantic Ocean and the Great Lakes. Entire nearby villages known as the Lost Villages were flooded during the project, and thousands of residents were relocated as roads, railways, and shorelines were rebuilt. The creation of the Seaway also changed Cornwall's economy and landscape. Hydroelectric power generation became an important part of the region, while modern shipping routes improved trade across eastern North America. At the same time, changes in manufacturing and global industry during the late 20th century led to the closure of many of Cornwall's historic factories. Like many industrial cities in Canada, Cornwall gradually shifted toward healthcare, retail, transportation, education, and service industries as major employers. Today, Cornwall remains an important regional center for Eastern Ontario. The city serves nearby rural communities and acts as a transportation hub because of its location along Highway 401 and the international border crossing into Massena. The Seaway International Bridge connects Cornwall with Cornwall Island and the United States, making the region one of the key border crossings between Ontario and New York State. Cornwall is also known for its parks and waterfront recreation. Lamoureux Park stretches along the St. Lawrence River near downtown and hosts concerts, festivals, and community events throughout the year. The city's waterfront trail system attracts walkers and cyclists, while nearby marinas and boat launches connect residents with the river. During the warmer months, the waterfront becomes one of the busiest and most scenic parts of the city. Despite changes in industry and population over the decades, Cornwall has maintained the character of a smaller river city shaped by transportation, manufacturing, and its long connection to the St. Lawrence River with the rest of the city.